Are you sick of selling? Do you want to get more leads and more sales without selling? Do you want to earn more income while living your favorite lifestyle? Then join me on a live online workshop on Facebook advertising, where you actually build your client getting system that sends you fresh new leads 24/7. Yes, even when you're sleeping. Now, inside this 4-hour live workshop, I'm gonna show you how to use the power of Facebook to attract your ideal clients at the lowest possible price. In this workshop, you're gonna watch me build a super profitable Facebook ad campaign from start to finish. Plus, you're gonna build your own successful Facebook campaign in these 4 hours. And the best part? It only costs $1 to register. And if you love the workshop, just if you love the workshop, you then pay $97 after the training, not before that. So join me inside this workshop, and if you didn't like it for any reason, don't pay a cent. Fair? Well, I really can't think of a more generous offer. So if you want rapid growth in your business or in the business that you want to build, and if you want to create the income and freedom that you love, click on the link now and register, because the spots are filling up very fast. And then join me in this life-changing workshop. I'm super excited to reveal to you all my tips and tricks that help me generate the income that I love. So see you inside the workshop.